Good day, my friend. You're watching the channel Make a Back and Do. In today's video we're gonna repair dryer. It's not spinning, so we're gonna fix the problem. It's already half done. Most of the parts are removed already. This one I put back just to show you the problem, issues what I faced, and how to solve it. As you can see, now we switching it off. We cannot press the button, nothing happens because we don't have the drawer. And here is a locker. When the door is open, it's not switching on. So what we're gonna do, we have here plug. It's already unplugged of the door. We're gonna press it. Here is the button, and now we're pressing the button. Hear that sound? So that means that the drum cannot start moving if we help it spinning. So now we know that motor working and how to fix it. I search for the reasoning, so we're gonna show you. We have there, but 1 second. I'm gonna, yeah, here it is. As you can see, we cannot get there, so we're gonna take this lid. To take it off, we need to lift it up. As much as we can. Oh. So. Done. The hardest work is done, so I'll show you how to change the belt as well. Here we had, not on that lid, 1 second, on that one we had the wheels. They lifted up the drum, so now it's much easier. If you can see, much easier to remove the belt. Once it's done, to take out the drum, we need to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Magnetic screwdriver, very useful. We need to remove that stick. It's good to have different heads for a screwdriver. Now it's gone. What we have here? Here is a belt holder. We can easily open it, and it's kind of hard to hold the camera and do the thing. So it's off now. It was a big mess here. I already cleaned it with the vacuum before, but exactly what we need to do and to change this one. So to do that, we need to unplug. Good idea to connect them just to release the electricity power. So it's empty. Best to use gum gloves, but I will do it my way. Just don't touch them all together. It's done. Find the similar, or the same, and just change it. I've got that one. We cannot connect these two to both of them. We need to see that line. One connection should be on one side, another one on the second one. So we have anywhere. So one is here, locked. Another one is here. See, from the opposite sides of the line. Now we're gonna put the belt back. To do that, if you can see, we need to make a loop around it. Somewhere in between. Now it's done. Once it's done, we need to put the drum back. And now we can finally slowly put the belt back. Next we can check if it's working at all. To do that we have to put back that one. Spinning. So we gonna plug it, the power supply back. Close the door. It's working. Great. This one was the problem. The cost is about 12 euros. So, or 15 bucks. Was not expensive. Now we're gonna put all the wires back. Now we're gonna check if it works properly. Great. It's spinning. Everything works fine. With the cost of 15 euros and probably few hours of my time, we fix the candy air dryer. So if the information was helpful for you, subscribe and see you in the next video.